Hi guys, Derek Flouwens. Well, as promised, we're going to show you how our lay flat winder works. This is how we fit it on a trailer. Oh, Kaiden, sort it out for us. First of all, you plug it out on top. Another plug at the bottom. You guys will see these two holes, pinholes to put it in. Well, let's get the hose. Well guys, a lot of clients actually asked us, what is the inside of the fire hoses? Why does this turn? Well, let's actually show you why it turns. It's actually to roll off the hose. So you grab it on the ears and send another young man off. And there we unroll 30 meters of hose. Then you'll take your hose, put it in, fit it like that, and then you'll just start winding like a maniac. Don't worry about the hose if it goes a bit skew. We're going to show you at the end how it works to get it sorted out for you. So this is a 30-meter lay flat hose. Let's see how long does it take him to roll it up. It's going all the way there to the back, coming back already. Voila. Then you just flip it off, put it flat on the floor, and then you can put it back into the trailer bracket. Well guys, this is a 30-meter hose. Let's say it took him like 30 seconds. So when you're done, you can just dismount this, fit it back on the trailer, and then you're ready for the next one. Well guys, I think this is freaking cool. Tell us what you think.